Hey guys, so we're here with the side-by-sides, just doing a little update on the post wrap. So as you can see, the Can-Am X3 and the RZR XP Turbo are both custom wrapped. We just got them back from ECD Customs, so check them out, they do some wicked work. We went with the digital camo and the red on the RZR Turbo to make it pop, and it flows good with the color scheme of our supporters, Royal Distributing, Super ATV, Fin Trail, and ECD Customs. We've also teamed up with MBRP. We'll be doing an exhaust install. So we're gonna get rid of this stock RZR Turbo exhaust. They carry a lot of heat, prone to a lot of heat soak. It's not the best design. There's a catalytic converter hidden inside the muffler. So we're gonna upgrade that to a wicked looking MBRP system. MBRP is another local Canadian company here. They're from Huntsville, Ontario. They make some wicked stuff for your truck, your sled, and now even your side-by-side. Here we've got the Galaxy print. It's the Galaxy background with mountain foreground on the Can-Am X3 Turbo. Prints look wicked. The quality of the print is insane. It's very high definition. You can get real close. There's no pixelation. It's a heavy duty laminated vinyl. It's a high tack, just like you'd use on a sled or a motocross bike, so this won't peel off. We're gonna thrash this and see how the wraps hold up on the trail, rubbing up against trees and stuff like that. I'm sure they're gonna hold up great. The quality of the wraps and the templating is awesome. If you want to get your vehicle wrap or your side-by-side wrap designed, you can check out ECD Customs. They do a lot of custom work. Here we see our Super ATV Rhino 2.0 axles, our Super ATV heavy-duty control arms, the ITP Blackwater Evolution tires on the KMC XD wheels. This build's really coming together. I can't wait to thrash this thing on the trail. I'm just waiting for the Super ATV full protection kit to come in on this thing. It's gonna be an EXO cage that goes around all the fenders, that ties into the bumpers and the side skirts, so it won't damage my wrap. It'll do a good job protecting all that. Yeah, we've got a few things to finish up on the wraps. I'm still gonna do some decals over the wrap here. We gotta slap a few more supporter logos on there, finish it up. Sometimes it's easier doing that after, as it gives you a little bit of variance and flexibility. So some of the smaller decals will go over top of the actual printed wrap. Here we have the nice AdrenalineJunkieProd logo and the ECD logo on this one. So I think both the wraps look great. Leave us a comment, let us know which one you like better. Let us know what you think about the wraps, if you like them. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channels, both of them, Adrenaline Junkie Prod and Adrenaline Junkie Project. We've got a lot in store for you guys this year. As you can see, we've committed. It's full send this year. So you'll be watching this X3 Turbo and this RZR XP Turbo go head to head all season. Colin's got a set of 30-inch Terminators for this thing, and a few other things up his sleeve, I think, for this year. And I've still got a few goodies left to put on this thing, so it'll be a pretty badass year. You guys are probably in for a lot of carnage, a lot of excitement, a lot of good rides. We're hoping spring and summer are really good. We're gonna kick off the season with Dungannon Mud Bog on the 28th. That's a big season opener for us out in Dungannon, Ontario, Bancroft area. It's a charity ride, it's a big event. It's been going on for about a decade now. So we're gonna go there. That's where the first videos are gonna come at you from this season. You're gonna see some Dungannon, and that's gonna open up the season and lead into the rest of the carnage. So thanks again for watching. Give us a like, subscribe to our channels, check us out on Facebook. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. We post a lot of cool photos there, and we'll see you in the future videos. Thanks again for all the support. See ya.